dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, you all must be tired of learning new letters and numbers every day. Today, let us break the chain and not learn any letter or number. Let us learn something interesting, new, and colorful. So let's see what our second activity is all about. Our second activity for today is rainbow. As the name suggests, rainbow, we can see rainbow in the rainy season. When we can see rainbow, children, we can see rainbow in rainy season. So let's see what are learning objectives for this activity. Introduce about rainbows. Learn the colors of rainbows and enhance creativity. The resources which are required for this activity are picture of a rainbow, blank or a rough paper, sponges and paints. You need only those colors which are found in rainbow. Let's start our activity. So children, can you see this picture? What do you see in this picture? Can you see a semicircle colorful thing in the sky? In clouds, near clouds, can you see? Yes, this colorful thing is called rainbow. This is rainbow. And do you know, children, when we can see a rainbow? When it rains and at the same time the sun shines, we can see a rainbow. When we can see a rainbow? When it rains and at the same time the sun shines, we can see a rainbow. And do you know, children, that how many colors are in the rainbow? And what is rainbow? Rainbow is band of 7 colors. How many colors? 7. So let's see what are those colors. You have to repeat after me. So let's start. Violet. The first color is violet. Can you see violet color in this picture? Yes. Violet. The first color is violet, and then indigo, and then blue, and then green, and after that yellow. Can you see the yellow color? Then orange, and the last one is red. Let's repeat one more time. The first color is violet, and the second is indigo, and then blue, and then green, and then yellow, then orange, and then red. Children, can you spot all the colors here? Can you? Very good. So, children, alright children, did you try making rainbow at home? No? Don't worry. We are going to do it today. So let's see what our hands-on activity is. Today we are going to make rainbow with paints and with the help of sponge. So how you have to do this, children? What you have to do is, parent, you have to provide the child with a blank or a rough paper, sponge and paints. You need only all the colors of rainbow which we have discussed now. Then you have to tell the child that today we are going to make rainbow with paint. So children, let's start making our rainbow. What you have to do is, you have to take out all the colors of rainbow, and you have to keep, and you have to take a sponge, and you have to dip that sponge. Parent can help the child in this. What they can do is, the parent can help in making curved line with violet color, and the remaining 6 color can be done by child. as the above violet curve line is. As you can see in this picture, like this only. You can use brush also, you can use earbuds also, and you can use finger also. And you have to, parent can draw a first curve of violet color, and then the child can make it by himself or herself, like this. You can do this by applying color on sponge also. You can apply all the color in the sponge, and then you can make a rainbow, as you can see in this picture. After this, once the child has made the rainbow, you can encourage child to stick cotton near rainbow, as shown in this picture. As you can see in this picture, you can see this, that how, don't expect perfection, because it's children work, and it's going to be very colorful, and let the child use their own creativity and make this. I'm sure that the output of this activity is going to look wonderful. So appreciate child's work, encourage child, and please share photographs with us. Thank you.